Hi, welcome back to Bean and Bug Graphics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make print then cut stickers. First, I'm going to upload a sticker file that I sell in my shop. These stickers are just little thank you stickers if you sell any physical product. Sometimes people like to add a special touch to that. That is all that these are. By default, they are all grouped together as one grouping. So the first thing I'm going to want to do after I upload my file is ungroup. So I've ungrouped them, and they are all in an SVG format currently. I have heard that that is the best way that they actually cut with the best results. So I put all of mine in an SVG format, as well as all the other cut files I sell with my other designs. So I'm going to ungroup each of these. And the first thing that I'm going to want to do is highlight each separately. And you can do that by just clicking and dragging over the design. And then under Operation, you can go to Basic Cut and then Standard Print Then Cut. And then the next thing you would do while still having this design highlighted would be to go to Flatten down here on the bottom right. So that will tell the machine that it's going to only cut this outlined piece here. The printer will put the rest of the image together. Another way that you could do it one step quicker, highlight your next design. And I believe if you just go to flatten down here, it'll automatically put it into print then cut. So you can see this tag here. I flattened it only, and it defaulted to print then cut. So that's a quicker way to go through and do it. Highlight each one and then go to flatten. So I'm going to continue that with each of these designs. And if you want to make multiple of each one, you can just duplicate them. You could do just a couple of one. I want to duplicate the mail delivery truck, maybe the Have a Wonderful Day, duplicate that one. Or you could hold over all of them and duplicate them all as well if you would like. Then the next step would be to just go to make it. You don't have to rearrange them. Cricut will do that for you. All right, so here we have all of the sticker designs. It was too much for one piece of paper. I'm just going to print the first one. First thing is going to go to the printer to print the design, and then we will put it through the Cricut to cut it out. This black box around here, the Cricut will always provide that. That just helps the machine when you feed it through to know where it's starting, where the image is, and where it needs to cut. So I'm going to click continue, and then I am going to say send to printer. Select the printer that you're going to be using, and then click print. All right, as you can see, these are now printed onto the sticker paper. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to load my piece of sticker paper onto a standard grip mat. So just like anything else you cut, you're just going to put it just how it is on your design space application, and typically in the upper left corner. Make sure it's on there good. And then you're going to feed it into the Cricut. The first thing it's going to do is read those black lines just to see where it needs to be cutting, and then it'll start cutting. Now it started to cut the actual design. All right, the Cricut is done cutting. All of the pieces cut really nicely. This is what is called a kiss cut. so it comes directly off the page and is a sticker. If you want to do it where the sticker comes out as separate, here's some ones that I've done in the past where it's each its own sticker and you peel it off the backing individually, then you're going to want to tell the Cricut to print on a much heavier piece of paper, like a heavy cardstock or a delicate, intricate design, possibly. This one, it doesn't go through the entire piece of paper. It's meant for the stickers to just peel directly off of this page, each one separately. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. Thank you.